Now let's cover some of the management implications of this research. First, recognize that groups can have a dramatic impact on individual behavior, either positive or negative. Pay special attention to roles, norms, and cohesion to understand how these are operating within a group. This will help you predict how the group is going to behave and perform. To maximize satisfaction and performance at the individual and group level, make sure everyone understands their roles and the roles of other people so that they can coordinate their efforts more effectively. To decrease the possibility of counterproductive work behaviors, make sure that group norms do not support antisocial behavior. Group norms need to be productive and encourage people to be efficient in their work. Managers also need to pay attention to the status aspect of groups. Lower status people tend to participate less in groups. One of the reasons is because high status individuals are less likely to ask for their input, or sometimes high status individuals even prevent lower status members from contributing. Managers who understand the status of the group members and of the group within the organization are better able to navigate the relationships and interactions and conflict that will inevitably emerge. And finally, there are a number of ways for managers to build accountability into the design of groups. Make sure the group works together to set its goals. Make sure their goals are aligned with the organization's goals. Minimize the amount of competition within the group, but use intergroup competition if possible. Ask group members to evaluate each other across multiple dimensions, mostly for development purposes. Distribute group rewards based on individual effort. The more effort someone puts into the group, the more they get out of the group.